Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to disable Qualcomm Secure Boot on your Android device. This process is simple but you need to be careful since it involves your phone's security settings. First, just to explain, Qualcomm Secure Boot is a security feature that prevents unauthorized software from running on your phone. So disabling it is usually done only when you're trying to flash custom ROMs or recover a brick device. So the first step is go to your phone settings, then about phone, then tap this build number 7 times to enable developer options. So in my case, I'm already a developer. So now go back and find developer options. Once you found it, turn on OEM unlocking right here. This allows you to modify your bootloader, which is required before disabling secure boot. Next, connect your phone to a PC and open a command window. And then type adb space reboot space bootloader. And then fastboot space OEM space unlock. Once confirmed on your phone screen, the secure boot will be disabled. And that's it, you've now disabled Qualcomm Secure Boot safely. Remember, this will wipe your data, so always back up your files first. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Android fixes.